Meron akong natanggap na message sa cellphone ko. May nagdeduct sa bank account ko na $158 US. Around almost 10,000 pesos. Mayumi? Ay, hindi nagsagot. Mayumi?
Oh.
Mayumi?
Oh.
Oy?
Oy.
Mayumi, oy?
Hey.
Mayumi?
Oy. Mom.
Almost there. Chico, upo ka.
I need to buy.
Put on your mask na.
Mommy. I need to. Mama, am I going to buy my catnap?
Put on your mask na.
Am I going to buy my catnap?
Wala, the catnap is with Tita Joselle. She will come and give it later. We will pass there na lang.
Giselle gave me the
Haircut day ng mga bata.
And we're going to KCC.
Pero mamaya na sila mag-haircut. Bili muna sila ng storybook, reading book. Calvi did not buy reading book for a long time.
Yeah, we're never using our books anymore. Mom, I don't want to rock the baby, rock the baby, rock the baby, rock the baby.
Oh, which one? One each lang. What did you choose? Let me see. Let me check the price, ha? Magkano ang price nito, sir? Oh. Ikaw, Calvi, anong napili mo? Chico, you-change an item, anak. Ay, sorry. Calvi. Wag yung expensive, ha? Yung ano lang, tama lang na price. That's too big, anak. Small toy lang muna. Eto, gusto mo? Ay, hindi pala mahal. 599. Ikot ka pa dito. Ikot ka pa. Dito. Ikot ka pa dito. Come. Bunny. Mahal man yan, ako. Expensive. Look ka muna. Madaling kausap ang mga anak ko, guys. Pag sinabi kong mahal ko, nagmo-move sila sa next item. Ah, ito oh. Wow. Sino yan? Magkano?
499 ano na siya, ma'am?
From?
799.
Wow. Si Iron Man. Sino pa iba? May ano, Deadpool?
Wala.
Spider-Man, Batman, Wolverine. Wala.
Spider-Man. Ay, Spider-Man.
Patingin daw.
Ayun,
oh.
Where?
Transformers.
I don't want Transformer.
Si Mayumi. Mayumi, ano nakita mo? Pahawak mo lang ga. Pwede man, pahawak mo lang. Pahawak mo lang sa kanya isa. Ano yan? Ah, no, mahal. No. So expensive. Go look for something cheaper. Chico, eto. Black Spider-Man. Venom. Ayaw mo? No?
The Venom.
Ayaw? Come, let's go on the other side. Maybe they have. That way, oh. There, that side. Ikot mo din si Mayumi, gang, ng something madali niya lang malaruan. Hug, hug. Ay, hug. Oh. Hold pala, hold. Hindi pala up. Hold, hold. Ano yan? Pang baby man yan.
Oh, man.
Look, it's for baby.
I like this.
Magkano yan? Patingin. Expensive man, nak 749. 300 lang. Look for something for 300. O, dali na, mag-look tayo ng hero. Ah. You're not asking nicely. Oy, Mayumi. Huwag yung tag 2,000 day. Kalbi, Play-Doh, oh. There's 80 pesos. That one is okay.
Can I have 2 pieces?
Yeah, 2 pieces is okay. Can choose. Okay, Kalbi already got Play-Doh. Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Iron Man? Ano? This one? Lighting sword? Look! Look! Galit na naman si Chico. Saan? Huwag yung mahal ha. Mura lang. Dito ko kasi tinitest yung ugali ng mga anak ko pagdating sa mga bilihin. Madali lang silang masabihan. Pag sabi ko kay Calvin na mahal yun, talagang ilalagay niya, guys. Hindi siya magwa-wild. Eto oh, eto. Ah, hindi din. Hulk oh. Hulk. Magkano yan, sir?
No, I don't want more.
Oh, you don't want? Okay.
I want something big.
How about like this?
Huh?
Okay, maghanap ka eh. Don't be angry. Just ask nicely, di ba? Bakit madami yan?
It's 4 pieces.
Bakit 4 pieces? Sabi mo 2 lang.
Oh.
Sabi mo 2 lang. Bakit 4? O magkuha ka basket. Asa kay kuya. Kuya, pahingi kami basket. O kuya, will get basket na. Si Mayumi, anong nakita? Ay,
superhero toy.
asan superhero? Hindi makapagpili si Chico ng maayos. Superhero is here. Anong superhero? They have Transformers. They have... You want a Transformer toy car?
Huh?
Transformer toy car? Like this one, oh. Magkano ang ganito, sir, oh?
I don't want that.
Ay, Diyos ko. Narinig yun. Narinig yun, guys. Sabi ko, ay, Diyos ko. Humingi ng backup kay Lord. Ay, Chico, masakit ng ulo ni Mama. You have not decided anything.
I want the hero toys.
Hero toys, gani, there. Oh, eto na lang, oh, Transformer toy car.
What? Seriously, I don't want the Transformer one becomes car.
So, ano? You keep on moving around but you did not decide. Like that.
Yeah.
You don't like
I like that.
this.
Yeah.
Are you sure na? Kawawa naman si Chico, oy.
Ay, meron siya transformer. Meron yung transformer na dalawa. Ang pwede niya makait mo.
Dalawa yan?
Yes po. Pwede siya ma-car, ma'am. Pwede siya ma-robot.
Wow, this one, 2 cars, blue and yellow. Can make into robot, blue robot, and yellow robot, yellow car. There's 2 of them, and there's sword. That one, only 1. This one, you have 2. There, oh. Yellow and blue. They can become cars. This is nicer, anak. There's 2. You can play together. There's even orange, oh. No thanks. No thanks daw.
What did you choose?
Nangitlog lang yung isa. Talo ka mo.
Saan ang kay Mayumi? Calbi, sabi mo kay mama, dalawa lang. Chico, ito maganda, Chico, oh. Dalawang toy car, 2 robots.
Ito ma'am po, para sa girl lang, pwede siya writing ma'am.
Try mo daw. I don't think so. Maintindihan niya na. Etong dalawa oh. Isang blue tsaka isang orange.
I don't want that.
Why do you like that one? Anong color to? Isang kulay lang?
Yes ma'am.
Mom, this is for Mayumi.
No, she doesn't like
Mayumi, this is yours.
this is 150 pesos ang difference.
She got a big doll.
Okay, siya ka dalawa.
Gawin niya. Ambot sa iya ha, uy. Oh. Ay pila.
Chico, what do you want?
Oh, did you decide? Chico, did you decide? Okay. Kay Mayumi na lang.
A few moments.
Akin na yung malaki. Ito na lang, oh. Tanungin mo siya kung gusto niya to. Mayumi! Gusto mo yan, baby?
Baby girl, she's so cute. Mayumi, you put here, oh.
Ayaw niya. I think she doesn't like. How about this? How about this? Gusto mo yan?
Whoa. This.
You like that?
Mayumi, oh.
Lagay niya ito sa box.
Want this? She wants it. You got juice now.
Ilagay mo sa box.
Put it here.
Okay naman yata yan. Gusto niya naman yata yun.
Yeah,
You want this? You want? You like this? Banana? That's not banana.
No, you're not. Salamat po.
To. Okay, Chico, anong sabihin?
Salamat po.
Okay. Kay Mayumi, anong sabihin?
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Po. Po lang. Okay na ba? Thank you. Let's go. Tara. Where's Chico's mask?
My birthday.
Mask mo saan? Okay. Grabe niya talaga mawala yung mask niya, guys. Hawak-hawak niya sa kamay niya. Oh. Bahala mahulog ng lahat. Wag lang ang maskara niya. Wow. Happy Chico. Happy Calbi.
Mom, I know that.
Si Mayumi ang laman ng basket na mama papanalunan ninyo sa raffle promo. Gusto nyo bang manalo ng limpak-limpak na kakulitan? Pili na dito sa KCC ang pinakabarato na may chance madaog o super cute na bata-batuta. Big guys si Mayumi. Oh. Shh, shh, shh. Ano sabi ni mama, di ba?
When I say red light, you go, stop.
Chico, mabigat yan. Lagay mo sa basket. Lagay mo sa basket. Ayun, no? Mask mo.
Oh, show your mask.
My mom.
Chico, Spider-Man mo.
Yeah, I want this.
You try.
Wow! Hey! Not fair.
Wala man silang ganyan, anak. Batman na nag-ilaw.
Not fair.
Wala man sila, anak. Batman na nag-ilaw. Spider-Man lang.
I wish I had.
Huwag yung expensive.
No,
Ito na lang, red or blue?
That.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Spider-Man is even on the sleeper.
It's so funny.
Ano, hindi na tayo mag-buy. I don't want to buy na. Kaya expensive
I
na.
want to buy.
Then choose one. Dali. This one is... Okay, let's go. Tama na yan. Come we pay. Come we pay. Kasha na na. Tama na na. We will get it from there. Come, Calby. Wow, ganda ng tsinelas ni Chico,
I
ah.
just want the one without the light.
Ay,
Without the light.
okay lang yan. Kay Calby, hindi man din nagalay. Saan? Dito, red. Red muna, red. Red is this one. Red. This one, red. Purple. Orange. Ay, yellow. Ay, yellow pa pala, day. Yellow. Purple. Orange. Yellow. Green. Red. Blue. Pink. Pink. Duck. Go get the duck. Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Put here, duck. Guys. Grabe ang nangyari sa akin. Alam nyo ba, hindi ko na ikwento sa inyo kasi na-overwhelm ako dun sa aming trip sa Siquijor. Pero nangyari to siya nung nasa Siquijor kami. And I wanted to share this experience sa inyo guys. Para ma-aware kayo ba na posible mangyari sa inyo. Alam nyo naman yung kwento ng ating buhay, no? Kapalpakan natin at mga tagumpay natin, sinishare ko sa inyo. So anyway, on the day na paalis na kami ng Bohol, pabalik ng General Santos City, meron akong natanggap na message sa cellphone ko. May nagdeduct sa bank account ko na $158 or around almost 10,000 pesos. Natanggap ko yung message guys, umaga, mga alas 9. At ako'y nabigla, no, inulit-ulit ko ng basa kasi akala ko mali lang. Bakit mababawasan yung account ko? Wala namang humahawak na account ko. Hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng any transaction. Imagine, one-time payment of $158 or almost 10,000 pesos. So talagang nagtaka ako and then chinek ko kung para saan ba yung bawas. And doon ko nalaman kung bakit ako nabawasan. Pero yun nga no, it's a mistake on my part. So, puwet mo puwet mo. Naligaw ba siya play sa inyo cover puwet, oy. So ngayon guys, dito lang tayo na side kasi Mayumi nagpahinga ng kanyang puwet saglit. Kita ba ako dyan, Ban? So ngayon guys, bigla ang ginawa ko una nung pagka-receive ko nung message, ang impulse, you have to put on diaper, anak. Ang automatic kong ginawa ay tumawag ako agad sa hotline ng bangko to tell them na merong unauthorized transaction sa aking account worth almost 10,000 pesos. So, immediately naman, kinancel naman nila yung aking account at blinak nila yung aking account at kinancel yung card. So, ipapadala daw nila yung bagong card. Pero kailangan kong ayusin kung ano man yung nagbawas at sino yung nagbawas ng pera sa aking bank account. So normally guys, very helpful naman yung mga bank, no? Kapag hindi mo din kasi napatunayan na unauthorized yun or na-hack or talagang binigay mo yung card mo sa someone, malaki din yung chance na hindi mababalik kung ano yung nawala. So anyway, I saw a familiar website na nag-email sa akin regarding a certain subscription worth $158 or eto nga almost 10,000 pesos. And I remembered, you guys, eto kwentuhan ko kayo I remembered what I did and where it went wrong. So ang nangyari, kasi sabi nga sa akin ng bangko, this is normally a mistake na nangyayari sa mga card or account holders, no, na talagang kinakagalit din nila sa ibang sa ibang bank kasi nga sometimes it's a very big loss. So in my part, of course, 10,000 pesos approximately is a huge amount and I was really worried about that. And then mas lalo pa akong na-worry, guys. So nakita ko yung website ay familiar sa akin. So basically, ang nangyari, like 2 weeks ago, I accessed a certain website that I thought I needed. I thought their service was valuable to me at useful para sa akin. So nag-try ako nung kanilang website service. Ngayon, when I tried, they wanted me to input a certain account para daw mapasok ko yung kanilang free trial na 30 days. So, sabi ko, okay lang kasi trial lang naman. Ika-cancel ko lang siya bago mag-end yung trial para hindi nila ako ma-charge. So, basically, guys, after like, not even 2 weeks, like 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago ko siya gitry. So, after that, nawala na sa isip ko na in-input ko pala yung aking card. Kasi sabi ko nga, ika-cancel ko agad. So again, alam ko marami sa inyo na makarelate nito. If you guys had experience like this, comment them down below kung ano yung nangyari. But for me, that's what happened. I used their service for free. I was after the free trial and then I found out that it was not actually valuable for me and the type of work that I was doing. So sabi ko, useless pala siya sa akin, so hindi na kailangan. They only had an option of annual during the free trial and annual costed $158 nga. So yun pala yung na-click ko, no? And then 30 days or 30-day free trial has passed. Nakalimutan ko siyang i-cancel. It automatically deducted on my account without OTP or without any PIN or whatsoever to make the transaction possible. Nag-automatic na siya deduct talaga. So, if I was deducted on September 10th, I received the alert message that my card was charged on September 11th. Immediately after that, within 1 hour, I canceled the subscription. Talagang nagmamadali ako, guys, nanginginig yung kamay ko kasi I really wanted to cancel the subscription right away. Kaya I really don't need it. And I had a plan to talk to the bank na wag nila talaga akong bawasan or ipa-refund yung binawas sa akin ng website. And so we came back from Bohol and Siquijor. The bank told me that they're going to call me and inform me of the next process. So, tumawag sila sa akin habang nagla-live selling ako. I had to cut my live selling. And then they talked to me na, ma'am, we are on process of filing a dispute about dun sa nangyari na na-charge yung card ninyo. We would like to ask for information. Ganun, nag-ask sila ng information kasi sabi nila, there's a big chance that we will lose the case if I am actually the one who registered on that certain website or service provider nga. And then I told them I did, but I don't need their service anymore. It was just a free trial. So, nung sinabi ko yun, they actually told me, naku ma'am, yan talaga yung kinakagalit ng iba naming account holder, no? Kasi merong mga free trial na talagang automatic na siya na mag-charge ng pera sa account. So, ang nangyayari, merong iba na mga website na hindi sila nagre-refund regardless. So, sabi nila sa akin, ma'am, can you prove to us that you tried to communicate to them and explain your part? And for me, guys, after ko kinancel yung subscription ko na free sa kanila, I did not actually communicate. Akala ko okay na yon. Kasi nga, 1 day pa lang naman, diba? Akala ko yung bank na yung magpa-process nun. So, luckily, I am very fortunate. Ayun, kinabahan talaga ako ng bongga, guys, no? But I was very fortunate kasi on that day that the bank called me, I also tried to have a chat with the service customer service of that certain website. At maraming salamat naman at meron silang totoong tao na service support, no? Support team nila. So, I explained to them what happened. Sabi ko, I tried your free trial on August 10. I forgot to cancel the free trial and I was charged an annual fee of $158 sa card ko. And they deducted me on September 10th, but I was only alerted on September 11th. And if you can see it on the record, just within 1 hour, I canceled my subscription. It is for the reason that I really don't need the service. It's not valuable for the type of job I'm doing. So, sabi kong ganun. Sumagot naman po yung staff nila, no, na, we understand your concern, ganito, ganyan. Let me just check your account. And then they did. After 1 minute, he started typing again. And then he said, oh, we understand that you no longer need our service. We can actually refund you. But before that, so pag sabi niya ng word na refund, nabuhayan ako ng loob. Imagine guys, 10,000 pesos, isang ganun lang. So, pag sabi niya na there's a chance for refund, tinanong niya ako, he gave me another option. First option was, I can still use that 1 year subscription. They will give me 25% promotion. So, they will refund to me 25% of the total amount. Then, option number 2 is I can pay for the monthly fee nila, which is $20. And then, they will refund me the remaining amount. So, $158 less $20. So, i-refund nila yung $138. So, I told them I don't like the options. I told them I would love to really get back 100% of my money or 100% refund just because I don't intend to use or to renew the subscription. Sabi kong ganun. And they were, like I said, they were very, very easy, organized, and they were really, you know, they were really approachable about the whole thing. And they said they understand. They're going to check again. After 1 minute, they sent me a message. You are now, you know, we are confirming that we are going to refund the full amount taken from your card within 5 to 7 banking days. So, sobra akong nakahinga pagkatapos nun, guys. Screenshot ko yung mga email nila. They sent me an email to confirm that the money will be transferred back to my account in 5 to 7 days. And then, sinend ko yun sa email ng aking bank. Kasi nag-email sila to send proof daw na nakipag-communicate ako dun sa website na yon. So, I sent them that email and then I received an email the next day from my bank stating that they're going to send my new ATM card dahil nga kinancel na nila yung isa. So, sabi nila that it's already fixed and I'll just have to wait for the refund. And the new card will also come. So, yan guys, ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na bottom line is, lesson of the day is, huwag magpataka. Huwag magpataka magamit ng mga cards natin online. It can be flights, website, it can be service, PDF, documents, whatever online things that we think are valuable and we wanted to try, and then kinailangan yung bank details natin and then ilalagay natin just because it's a trial, kasi maraming trial ngayon, almost 100% ng trial kailangan ng bank account, no, para ma-pursue mo yung trial subscription nila. So, put a card na walang laman or put a card na 5,000 lang yung laman. Huwag maglalagay ng something na malaking pera sa card mo at yun yung gagamitin mo for your online transactions, kasi nga I was lucky and fortunate that I was refunded. What if hindi ako na-refund? It was a big amount of money and that is actually the allowance of my children para sa gatas nila at sa food nila every single week. So, once again, I am happy. Sana I learned my lesson from there. Sana kayo din. I will not do that again. I will not use my card anymore for those free subscription. So, now I check my subscription and all I have is my video editor app subscription, my YouTube subscription, just very few, like 3 or 4 subscriptions lang, and they're not actually expensive. So, once again, you guys, maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo, no? And if you experience something like this, let me know down below. Para naman yung mga nagbabasa, meron din silang matutunan. Let me know what's your worst experience about this kind of thing. And then, were you able to get a refund or hindi nyo nakuha yung refund? And what did you do after that? Ayun. So, yeah. I'm waiting for the 2 boys to come back. They went for a haircut. Mayumi is right here. Ta-da! Ta-da! Kiss, kiss. Ay, gidilaan.
Eternity later.
Alright guys, time to pick up our tiles. So, eto na siya. We ordered for 60 pieces.
Bali, 15 ni ka box, ma'am, ha?
15 tag pila kada box? Okay. 60. Sige. Ayan ang tiles natin, guys, sa labas ng bahay. Bali, 60 pieces yan na 50 by 50. 15 boxes lahat kasi kada box merong 4. So, hopefully, malagay na natin siya very soon, no? Okay na.